Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door handle in a tap-on refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door handle. There are two identical door handles used in this refrigerator, one on each door. These door handles sure make your life easier when you are trying to open the door in the middle of the night in total darkness so no one can see you are in the kitchen. The main reason to replace the door handle is if it's broken and won't stay in place. As I mentioned earlier, we have two identical door handles which are mounted the same way. We're going to show you how to replace the freezer door, and for that purpose, I'm going to open the freezer partially. We're looking at the bottom of the freezer door, and you can see there's a couple of Phillips screws we need to take out. I am using a Phillips screwdriver, and we're going to remove them. Now we're going to slide the bottom of the door handle to the right, to the outside, and we're going 90 degrees approximately. You can do 87, and I'm going to push it in and rock it side to side. It's going to get loose, and it's ours now. This is the old door handle next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. And now we're going to mount the new door handle on. See that this bracket on the top of the handle will lock over this screw, and then we can turn it and attach it to the bottom of the door. So place it over, slide it to lock. Then I'm going to put it down. All right, make sure that you match the holes, and then we're going to install the Phillips screws using a Phillips screwdriver. And now when we're done, we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.